Are you tired of your old, cheap patio heater that never works? Well, then get rid of it! Hi, this is Jeff with Heating Green, and today I want to take this video to show you some of the features and benefits between different patio heaters that are available on the market today. And behind me here we have three different types, and I'll start from the left, my left, your right. This is a typical patio heater that you get at a big box store, powered by propane, and it has a multi-piece shaft here that goes upwards, and it has a reflector that's in three pieces, and it's powered by a push start here that's not battery powered but piezoelectric. And this one, they're fairly cheap in price and in quality. They're typically made in China, and they usually last about a season or two. They don't have any replaceable parts, so once something goes out, it's very difficult to get the heater to work again. And sadly, this one will end up in the junkyard for that reason. It's been unused, got about a season and a half worth out of use. Another thing you'll notice is because the reflector is in three pieces, it has a tendency to taco or fold over time, and that creates uneven distribution of heat and isn't conducive to heating outdoor space very well. Behind me here on my right is one that's called a Patio Comfort. This is one of the ones that we sell. It's a USA-made patio heater, and you'll notice some of the functional differences with it. Number one, it has a solid reflector at the top, which does a much better job of distributing the heat. It feels pretty hot right now. It has a solid pole here as the base, and then it also can come with a weighted base. But one other thing that, it's not listed in the specs, but one thing I like about it is it has a flat surface, because I can't put my beer on here. I can put my beer on here when I'm sitting outside, so it's nice to be able to set things on the counter. Now this one also has a piezoelectric start, meaning it's by the pressure of pushing it, it creates a spark, and that's what ignites the heater. But all the components are in stock and replaceable. So the worst case scenario, if an igniter goes out, if something in the burner were to go out down the line, you can pay a nominal cost to replace it and still be using this heater for decades. And as a matter of fact, it is also used by commercial applications for restaurants or for rental facilities, things of that nature. Lastly, I want to direct your attention to the last patio heater on the deck, which is called a Sunglow. And Sunglow is actually the original company who came up with patio heaters in the 1960s in the US. So they're been around longer than the rest of them. They are the highest quality heater that you can buy. And for that reason, they're often used primarily in commercial applications where they'll be using them for 6 to 8 hours per day, because they are such commercial or industrial grade heaters. They have a 60-pound weighted base. They have a solid reflector at the top. They have an electric start on them, all replaceable parts. Just a very high-end USA-built heater that'll last you for the rest of your life. So that's a high-level overview of these three types of heaters. And certainly if you have any other questions, please feel free to write them in the comment section below, or give us a call or email us at sales@heatinggreen.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.